guys, so it's Friday. We just got finished at the nail salon getting our pedicure, and now where we headed, dear? She want McDonald's and I want to run to the mall so I could turn in those clothes and upload so I can get some discounts. And I actually want to see if they have this like little tank top that I would like to wear on our trip, so we'll see. We gonna be able to go there? Can we go? She's the boss, huh? So yeah, that's what we're doing. Nothing much. I think it's gonna start raining later. It's supposed to flood, or a flood warning, something like that. So yeah, it's Friday. So happy it's Friday. I can get some rest and then start all over tomorrow. It's gonna rain tomorrow too. So we just have a dentist appointment tomorrow, and then I was gonna get a pedicure, but we got it today. So maybe that gives me an opportunity to clean my closet. Let's see if I can accomplish that, because I need to bring some spring clothes now. Like, I wanted to wear this dress today, and of course I think it's packed upstairs, so I need to bring some spring like clothes down, especially it's going to be hot next week, so I can wear comfortable clothes to work. So yeah, alright guys, hope you guys are having a great Friday. Enjoy your weekend, and let's see what we do. Saturday. Happy Saturday. So headed out. I'm going to drop some crab salad off to my aunt. She requested it. This is what I'm wearing. Sleeveless, what do you call this? Shirt from Carolina Barfield. This was the Target collection. Free People Barrel jeans. I'm wearing flats. I just took a picture in heels, but I'm wearing flats. And so, yeah, got on this little gold chain. I gotta figure out how to add the charms to it. Yeah, they want me to work in my little cringe bangle. So yeah, hope you guys, I might run buy some turkey wings, and yeah, that might be about it. I do have to return something, but I might not do that today. But hope you guys have a great Saturday, and I'll chat with you later. Okay, be in it.
Hi, how's it
Hi.
going? Are you done with that?
I'm with him.
Okay, you can take this one.
Can we sit by the window?
No, it's okay, go ahead.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Let's look at the menu. Happy Sunday. So I'm putting on this mask, and then it stays on for 10 minutes, and then you take it off. So this is the Kiehl's turmeric and cranberry seed revitalizing radiance mask. And yeah, you can do this once a week. It's a brightening, and it's a invigorates and brightens skin appearance. So once a week, I feel like it'll take the dead cells off. Here it is. I'll link it below. Take the dead cells off, and it has these cranberries in it as well. So the face get really tight when you primer and then take it off. Okay. yeah, that's it. Okay, go and drive. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And anything else for today? Oh, I want to continue to bring my clothes downstairs from the attic for spring and try to bring some winter clothes upstairs. So yeah, I think that's all I gotta do today. And I will chat with you guys later. I'm almost finished a video, so I'm working on that. Hopefully it'll be going live soon. And by the time you guys watch that, it is live. So I will chat with you guys later. Okay? Bye.
This tomorrow for
I'm cleaning so you can get your teeth cleaned. Hey guys, so what's today? Today, they said it hurt Naive. Braces hurt. But anyway, hey guys, it's what day is it? Wednesday. I'm about to make some homemade Alfredo sauce. Pray for you, girl. Hopefully it come out right. But my principal told me to just use the heavy cream, the butter, Parmesan cheese, and some garlic. So I think I'm gonna put some garlic in the blender. Hopefully I start. No, I actually have some minced garlic already, so I'll just use that. But we're experimenting tonight, and I'm gonna make some some boneless chicken breast to pour it over there. I wish I had some spinach linguine. That would have been perfect. But I do have noodles, so I'll just use that. And so yeah, and I'm just going back and forth with my son in regards to braces. He wants braces. So I don't know. He can get braces if you want. I actually want braces for my bottom. See, we both have like crowding at the bottom, but he has a unique gap, and I think he should keep his gap. It's unique to him, but he insists on getting braces to fix it. So whatever. So yeah, get started cooking, and then hopefully chill. This is a quick meal. Hopefully chill for the rest of the day. I pray this Alfredo sauce will come out good. I'll let y'all know. Okay. Bye. I'm making that sauce homemade. Alright guys, alright, we're gonna taste the Alfredo. just use some heavy cream, some grated shaved Parmesan cheese from ShopRite, which I love. I love their brand. I use it in my Caesar salad. And then some butter, some pepper, and I added like maybe 3 packs of salt. I don't have salt in my house, not really. My sister has some salt here from Thanksgiving, but I don't usually cook with salt. Oh, and I sprinkled a little bit of adobo in it. So, it's not bad. It tastes better than that jar stuff that my kids like. My back hurt. Bending down like that. So, yeah, it tastes better than the jar stuff that I bought for my kids. We ain't doing that no more. We can make some. Hopefully they like it. I like it. So, alright. I'm boiling some bow tie noodles for Bali. I don't know how it's pronounced, but bow tie to me. And that's gonna be dinner. Okay. How is it? How is the noodles and the homemade sauce thing? You like it? It's better than the bottle, the jar. It tastes like the restaurant. It tastes like a restaurant.
Yeah.
Okay. How they do tea? How they do tea? Like this? That's tea. Okay, don't eat all my food. I finally got my electric toothbrush. Came in the mail last week. We're gonna use it and see how it works. Has up to 2 years you can use it, I guess, and then you get it replaced. It has a bunch of like, what do you call it? Brushes. So yeah, we'll see. And I got lavender. I might order my daughter the pink. We'll see how it works. mothers. Happy Tuesday. So it's Tuesday. I had to run some errands today. Then we stopped and got lunch. And then now I'm home. Got into bed when I got back home. I needed to relax. I just feel exhausted. I think it's just the weather. The weather is really crappy. That's why my hair looked like this. It's puffy. It was so misty out earlier. So I asked my daughter to ground the turkey, but she don't want to help out. But she hungry. How does that work? I don't know. But so I'm gonna make some lasagna really quick and probably put 2 pieces of chicken in the air fryer because I'm not cooking tomorrow. Tomorrow's graduation and it's at 3. So when I come home, I won't do anything. And then Thursday is the last day for teachers. Unfortunately, the counselors, the CST team, we gotta work to the 30th. Hopefully we'll be done soon and they let us go. We'll see. But it's not bad going to school work because we ain't really doing much. Just kind of tidying up a couple of things. And then, yeah, so all Friday for Juneteenth. And yeah, I don't know if I'm doing anything, but I'm off Friday. Maybe my sister wanted to go to the mall, so maybe we'll do that. Go to the mall. And she want to find some jeans because she's going away. So I guess she's trying to find some items. And yeah, so that's about it. I'm gonna cook and then hopefully I get to chill for the rest of the evening because I gotta go to work tomorrow. So, all right, I will chat with you guys later. Okay, bye. Hey guys, happy Friday. So I'm headed to go meet my co-workers. We're gonna grab, I guess, a quick little appetizer or something. And then, I don't know, I'll be back home. It's Friday, don't really have anything planned. Tomorrow we may go to the city so my daughter can find some sneakers for my birthday. But other than that, if it remains nice outside and it's comfortable, maybe we'll try the movie outside on the projector thing. So we'll see. What I'm wearing today, let's show you. And you probably already saw this outfit before. I have on this chambray kind of denim shirt. It has puff sleeves. This is supposed to be a bow tie, but I can't get it back into a bow tie. I don't know. Then I have on these jorts, I believe they're called now, shorts but long, and my raffia / leather slides. And this filter is on this camera, look horrible. I don't know why, but maybe because I have on these bright colors and I'm next to a white couch, so it's not really giving. Let's try. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, that's a look. I'm gonna head out. And I may take my camera, I may not. We'll see. Hey y'all. So, I think I got a picture of my food. We just had appetizers and a cute little drink. And then, yeah, we hung out. We was laughing, having a good old time. So, I didn't capture anything. Then I went for a walk when I got home. And then I had to run to TJ Maxx before they closed because I had to return something before 30 days. So what else? And then I wanted to exchange the luggage that I got yesterday. So I got my daughter's cute like yellow luggage carry-on, and then I wanted something better. So they had a blue one, a baby blue one, like the one I bought her, which I almost got. But then they had this Ted Baker pink one, and it was like, it's like a I don't know, maybe like it's a darker rose, but it's really cute, and it has a cup holder, so I really like that. So I just grabbed that. Oh, and then they had this candle. I couldn't find the top to the candle. Did I say Campbell? The candle. It's amber saffron. It has essential oil in here. This thing smells so good. No one asked this lady to put the top on, and it smells so good. Oh my god, I could keep smelling this all day long. I think it's the amber. I really like amber. It smells really good. So this wasn't the original top that goes on it, but this thing, I took this off of another candle, but it's gonna have to work. Oh my god, this candle smells so good. So that's it. About to head home, and yeah, so tomorrow we we're supposed to go to the city. I'm thinking about stopping in Fashion Pal tomorrow. I'm gonna see. It's like I want to, but I really don't, because I don't want to buy anything. I want to buy something, but I can't right now. So I'm scared to go in there because I may be tempted, but I really want to go in there and look at the showroom. So hopefully we're gonna try to do that. Maybe. I think I should really do that later, but we'll see. So that's it. I'm gonna call it a night. We had such a good time today. We're planning to do something again in July. It'll probably have to be after I come back from my trip. And yeah, hope you guys are having a great Friday. I'll talk to you later. Saturday, y'all. We are about to head out, going to the city, and yeah, let me show you my outfit. So I'm wearing these jorts again. These are the denim ones. I have on this muscle shirt by Farm Rio, my slides, and my hobo bag. And I think this filter is not letting you guys see clearly, but I think it's really for like outside. I don't know. But anyway, and it looks like my phone needs to charge, my camera. I gotta do that. Okay, bye.
Action.
Right.
I saw that car before and I thought about you. I was gonna take a picture of it. It's real bad.
This is more stable when you have the
Look, it's the same.
I used to have that car, Thea. That was my first brand new car your papa bought me.
Try that.
So we made it to the city. There's brother, Big Twin, aka, and Dia. Hey Dia. All for you.
You gotta walk up there.
I gotta walk out. Wow. I'm holding people.
Like to catch up.
Oh, okay. It's hot. I don't see y'all. Oh, I don't see Dia. She don't want to be seen. Oh, this she is. That hair feel good. Oh, there go, what's the name? What's the place? Cipriani's. I took Sadiq for Father's Day one year. Free the people. So now this thing, I gotta learn how to work it fast though. Oh, okay. It goes like that. There goes Cipriani.
Oh, that's a Gucci store. You know there's a Gucci store.
Oh yeah, when we actually when we came that year, it was here, but I think it was closed because it was Father's Day. They have the best shrimp, fried shrimp. What kind of car is that?
The CLS. That's a new one.
And where's this store we going to?
It's on Howard Street, so we gotta walk out
Up.
to Broadway. We need to walk out to Broadway.
This one?
Yeah.
It smell like, I ain't gonna say. I guess this does keep your hands stable, like the camera stable while you. What's that? Oh, that's the mini I leave too. Come on, dear. This is the chocolate. Can you see our whole party? Trying on No? Okay. Yeah, y'all be careful with that glass.